it's Miss Hake, and today for numeracy we're going to do all sorts of investigation on longer and shorter. So if you have link cubes at home or any blocks or anything that fits together, you can start constructing some longer and shorter models. Anything that you have, can you make longer and shorter 5 different ways? Ooh, I might make a bracelet or a necklace that is short with beads, and then one that is long with beads. There we go. There's one way of making a necklace. What else could you do? Could you paint some lines or squiggly lines? Could you connect some cubes? Could you, I don't know, I'm not going to give you all the answers. Maybe you could stamp. You could do whatever you want. But your numeracy today is to show me 5 ways you can make something longer, shorter. So find something that's short and make it longer, or find something that's long and make it shorter. How can you do this? Have loads of fun. Bye.